they have a website. If they don't have, I am somehow skeptical about them. Then I go and read. I also try as much as possible to review what people say about this business on the internet. So at a point, once I get a good review about the business, I'm ready to transact a business. Let me give you an example. There was a time I wanted to get a gadget. I went online, I saw a shop, they have website presence, but they did finish off their website development. But what I read about them on the internet was welcoming and was trustworthy. So I had to go there and transact business with them. After finishing my transacting of business with them, the owner of the company had to tell me that he wants me to finish up their website for them, which I did in less than 3 to 4 weeks. And the website is still on, they are enjoying it till now. The fourth thing a website can do for your idea or your startup is social media ready and awareness. Once you have a website, you are ready for social media marketing and awareness to your end users or consumers. That is, once you have a website, people will be it will be easy for people to find you wherever you are and transact business with you. They can even make a call through you, and even other third-party companies like Google and all others can showcase you to millions of people all around the world. Now, who can have a website? Any profession or industry. Either you are a fashion designer, you are a fashion illustrator, a tailor, event managers, blogger, content creator, traders like shops, supermarkets, mall, etc. Artisan services like construction, developers, plumbers, welder, and many more you can think about. Transport companies, delivery companies, digital markets, and uncountable professions. Just to mention a few, anybody can have a website. It's a way to showcase your business, your idea, your content to the rest of the world at a very simple, easy, and affordable rate, in the sense that you don't need to, for a website, you don't need to have a shop before you have a website. You can use your house as your contact place and you have a website, and the address on your website will be showcasing your house. So that is how simple a website can be for startups, for people that wants to have a web presence in their business. Let's now talk about the type of websites we have. There are two major types of websites. The first is the static website. They are websites that its content or web pages does not change without the alteration by a webmaster to edit its content. So you need someone that knows about website designing to help you edit its content whenever you want to change your logo, your text, your address, your email, anything on the website. You can't do it without a webmaster to do it for you. The second type of website is dynamic website. They are websites that are interactive. They fetch their content dynamically from database, cloud, API, that is application programming interface, or other resource feeder. This type of website, its content changes dynamically. You can change your logo, you can change anything on this website without affecting the front end. You don't need a webmaster to do this.
Once you know about it, you can change it from your backend and it will render it on your front end immediately. So you just need to know what you want to do here. It's not about you. Once you have an idea of what you want to change, you can go to your backend and change it. But a static website does not have a backend. It only allows someone that understands your website code to be able to change it for you. Now, let's discuss about the role in website development. There are two major roles. The first is website designer, and the second is a website developer. They do different things. Let's talk about what a website designer do. A website designer is a visual creator or creative that are more focused on user interface. They are the one that develop the blueprint. Let me give you an example. Suppose you have a construction work you want to do. You have a plot of land you want to develop a building on. A website designer is just like an architect. It draws the blueprint of your building for you and give it to you that you either approve it or reject it. That's what a website designer does. That's just a simple explanation about a website. It gives you a blueprint that this is what you can design. So once you have it, the blueprint, and you accept it, you can now move to a website developer. They build a website core structure using that coding language. Now, when they have your blueprint, a website developer have your blueprint, you now translate that your blueprint to a live website, just like a construction worker too, as I mentioned. Once you have an architectural drawing, you give it to a contractor, a construction developer. It's that construction developer that develop it to a structure of a building that you want. That's just a very simple explanation about it. But there are two types of website developer. The first is the front-end developer. Then the second is the back-end developer. I'll discuss more about this in the next slide. Now, let's talk about the continuation of the website's role. The front-end developer, what does it do? It builds how a website looks. When you get your blueprint from your website designer, a front-end developer develop the user interface just as the website designer has designed it in his designing software or anything he has used to design it. So it build a user interface, what you will see when you access a website. That is what they do. They do the interface of the website. Then the backend developer now creates how the website, what a front-end developer has developed, create it to work with your database. Now you have a website that want to be retrieving data, saving data, just like Jumia and Konga. It's a website backend developer that has done it in a way that when you get to a Jumia store, you see product, you can add product to cart, you can check out. That's the work of a backend developer. It makes those things happen. But a front-end developer only makes the user interface you see on Jumia. You just see that beautiful logo, the navigation button, the various categories. That's the work of a front-end developer. So each of them, they have different roles. You can either be a front-end developer or be a back-end developer, and you can be the two. The two, we call them full stack developer. You write front end, you write back end. Those are what they call full stack developer.
talking about what is website, why you need a website, types of websites, roles in website. Now we've come to the point where what are the tools you need for a website development? First, you need a laptop or a desktop running on either a Windows operating system, a Mac, either Linux operating system. Any of this is okay for you. Secondly, you need a code editor app. For a beginner, I would recommend Windows has a code editor app which is Notepad. On Mac, you have text edit. But for an advanced user, I will tell you you can go and download Visual Studio Code. It's also a way whereby you can edit code to develop a website. What about internet? You need internet. Why? For research. There are times that you want to develop something, maybe you have some challenges. You need internet because you want to use it to make some research on how to do it better, because whatever you are trying to create, someone else out there might have done the same. So once you have internet access, it's easier for you to consult millions of ideas all around the world. You don't need an instructor to be looking for an instructor on how to fix it. Fine, I'm open to any discussion, but you can get in touch with me. But before you do that, most times it's better you check on the internet. You find solution to whatever you want. Now, what next is writing a website profile. When you want to create a website, you need to have a profile of your idea, your niche, your innovation. You need to have jotted those things down. Websites consist of 4 to 5 web pages, which is the normal web pages, which is the home, the about us, the services, portfolio, and contact. The home web page is the summary of all web page on the website. You just pick some beautiful metadata of your pages and put it on your home page, because it's the first page every visitor sees when they come to your website. So you just summarize some information from all other pages on your home page. What about the about us page? About us page is what people should know about your niche, your product, your idea, your business. Either you want to showcase you are the co-founder, you are the founder, and your background, your experience, your career experience, what you have done in the past few years. That's where you can showcase it. What about the service page? The service page shows where you render all the services, products you offer to your end consumer or to your client. That's where you showcase them to. Your portfolio, that is where you display successful services you have rendered to clients over the years. This page serves as a guarantee page for you and for your customers. Once your customer visits this page, they see that, wow, this person can do the job I'm about to give him. He has done it for so person. He has done it for so company. They will feel more comfortable working with you. The fourth is the contact page. The contact information is where you put all your information, where your customers can find either your WhatsApp number, your contact number, your email address, so that it will be easier for your customers to get across to you in order to seal a transaction or a deal with you at any time. Now, let's talk about incubating a website idea or niche. What do you need to do in order to craft your business idea, your startup idea?
Think of a niche or an idea that you want to implement, jot it down, think over it for some time. Then, after you've think over it, you can now consider who are your competitors, what they do, or you can do better. Jot them down, see their loopholes, then you can now work on their loopholes to be your own strength. Then write down your clues, what you feel could be the possible solution to make you do something more better. And after that, discuss with like mind that are positive and professional, not people that will tell you that it cannot work. No, there are always elements of progress in every discussion. So discuss with people that have the same kind of vibe or the same kind of mindset you have. They want to create something better. They could give you a better advice on ways you can launch your niche or your idea to productivity. Then draft your niche or your idea profile. That is, write your profile, what you want, just like we mentioned in the last slide, what you want on each page of your website. And that is all for creating a website idea or niche. Now we have come to the end of our slides for today. But before we go, I would love to give everyone an assignment. And the assignment is very simple. It's just for you to write a profile of a business you want to do, or you see a business in your environment, you believe that you can do it more better, you want to improve on it, just to write a profile of how and analyze what is their weak points you can work on to create your own business that will make you a better business owner in the environment or in the community or around the country. You can just follow the analysis we have on the incubating a website procedure. Those can help you to develop something fun and something meaningful. Now, after you've done that, if you have any question, I'll create a Zoom link whereby every one of us can join to discuss your concern, your worries about what we have discussed. Even if you have a question, you are free to ask me any question via Zoom, and I'm ready to answer you. I will put a link of the Zoom meeting on the WhatsApp pages for any one of you that would like to ask questions about what we have studied or discussed today, and I'll be willing and be happy to reply you very well. Thanks for joining. We love to see you in our next module, whereby we'll be doing something more interactive, and that will be the launch of our creating a professional website.